Can you spot the leader? A leader should be dynamic. A leader should command respect. A leader should dream. A leader should have the faith. A leader should inspire. A leader should have the drive. Amway, a global leader with a presence in over 88 countries and territories around the world, building dynamic entrepreneurs, creating leaders for the next generation.
मैं हाई स्कूल में था जब एक रोड एक्सीडेंट में मैंने अपने फादर को खो दिया। एमवे ने सही मायनों में मुझे अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होने का मौका दिया। एमवे बिजनेस करने के साथ ही मैंने अपना एमबीए भी पूरा किया फर्स्ट क्लास। अब मैं अपने छोटे भाइयों और बहन के सपने साकार करने में उनकी मदद कर रहा हूँ। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने एमवे अपॉर्चुनिटी को अपनाया और इस बिजनेस को करने का फैसला किया।
The best products now in India. Amway's Nutrilite, the world's leading brand in vitamins and dietary supplements for your health and well-being. Products that help cope with changing lifestyles. Products that enhance your performance.
Having done my MBA in Australia, I came back to India and worked as a corporate banker with the erstwhile ANZ Gwynlai's Bank. The job gave me a good image. I wore a nice tie, a coat, everything looked good on the outside, but at the end of the day, it was just a dead-end job. I gave up my banking job. Because I didn't want to work for 12 hours a day. For someone else. Do my own thing. Be my own boss. I wanted to reach the skies. That's the difference between teams in the corporate world and teams in this business. In the corporate world, people compete with one another. Here we complete one another. And it's very exciting because out there in the corporate world, people are fighting with one another, pulling one another down. But here, everyone's constantly uplifting you, encouraging you, motivating you. And it's one team, team one. We all win. I believe in winning. Whether it's health, work, or play. To me, winning is everything.
Building dynamic entrepreneurs, creating leaders for the next generation. Amway is the ideal business opportunity for the young and enterprising. It gives them a chance to make money with no basic qualification and minimum investment. Part-time or full-time. As much as they want, when they want.
I'm extremely passionate about my life. Whether it is work or play, we really believe in giving our best shot. Life lo anta business start chesnaka andaru venakki lagdani చూసి లాస్ట్ కి ఎంతమంది ఎంత వెనక్కి లాగితే లైఫ్ లో అంత పైకి పోదాం ఈ బిజినెస్ లో డిసైడ్ చేసుకున్నా. The more hardships I faced, the more rejections I faced, the more determined I was to succeed.
నేను రిటైర్డ్ ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్ని. నా కొడుకు కూడా నా మాదిరి ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్ కావాలన్నా లేక అకాడమిక్ లైన్స్లో పై చదువులు చదవాలనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశంతోనే వాడిని అమెరికా పంపించడం జరిగింది. కానీ నరేన్ ఆమె బిజినెస్లో చేరతాననేటువంటి విషయం నాకు చెప్పినప్పుడు కాస్త విభ్రాంతి కలిగినా అందుకు నేను అంగీకరించాను.
I came back from USA seeing a huge potential in today's youth here in India. This is the business, guys, which can make you live up to your fullest potential. I'm telling to all the youngsters of India, together with this opportunity, Amway business opportunity, we can take India forward.
ఈ బిజినెస్ లో వాడు ఎంతో కష్టపడి పైకొచ్చి ఎన్నెన్నో రివార్డ్స్ అందుకుంటుంటే నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. అసలు అప్పుడు వద్దని చెప్పినటువంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్ రిలేటివ్స్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి మేం చేరతాం అంటుంటే ఇంకా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే రియల్లీ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ మై బాయ్.